Good morning, first graders. We are on Theme 8, Week 1, Day 3 of our KAM Blueprints. The story for the week, The Forest. The theme concept, we can all care for and enjoy Earth's resources. Strategy, summarize, skill, categorize, and classify. Okay. Today we're going to use our stretchers. Get those hands up, or if you're in my class, so you can get your bands. Okay, here we go. We're going to stretch out some words. The first one I will do with you. First word is soil. So we're going to go s-oy-ol. Word soil. Next word step. And word. Next word house. Stretch out the word house. And word. Next one, now. And word. And bait. And word. Okay. Affix review, so suffixes that go at the end of the word. So again, the S, that means if it's a noun, more than one. If it's added to a verb, that means an action word. It means happening in the present. Ed, t, ed, and it means happened in the past. Ing, sound, ing, means happening right now. Okay, so sounds, as in waves. D, as in waved. Ing, as in happening right now, waving. Irregular word review. My turn word bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. Your turn word. Spell bear. And word. My turn word show. S-H-O-W. Show. Your turn word. Spell show. And word. My turn word start. S-T-A-R-T. Start. Your turn word. Spell start. And word. My turn word under. U-N-D-E-R. Under. Your turn word. Spell under. And word. My turn word vary. V-E-R-Y. Vary. Your turn word. Spell vary. And word. My turn word build. B-U-I-L-D. Build. Your turn word. Spell build. And word. My turn word from. F-R-O-M. From. Your turn word. Spell from. And word. Okay, letter sounds. Sound. 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 Okay, Let's move on to day 3. Sound, t. Sound, e. Blend, te. Sound, l. Blend, t, l. Sound, s. So happening in the present. Blend, t, l, s. Word, tells. Good job. Okay, next one you're going to blend without me. Sound. Sound. That's right. That means that's that long I. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Did you say pine? Sound. Sound. Blend. Word. Sound. Sound. Blend. Oh, and that C-E, the E following the C means that C is going to make a S sound. So blend. Spruce. Word, spruce. It's a type of tree. Okay, sound. Sound. Blend. And the first syllable in this word's going to be a 2-syllable word, so it's in. Now we're going to blend the second syllable. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. So it's inside. Word, inside. Great job, awesome possum.